Below a new moon, the sky is dark, which symbolizes things. It symbolizes the unknowing of what's to come and being good enough during a duration of darkness and uncertainty. This darkness also symbolizes the need to move within and to take away ourselves from the stimulus of the intense outside world. The strength feels all around the region with this new moon. We may also locate ourselves seeking journey, trying new things, and creating productive change in our lives. We can also sense the time has come to do things differently, or to possibly attempt something we've constantly wanted to try. There is this feel of adventure surrounding this new moon, but there is also a deeper power at play too, guiding us to connect with our inner child and to consider our generational or ancestral wounds. The dark night sky bot is also an image for potential. It's for a clean canvas, an open slate simply ready to be crammed by your proposal. While the night is dark and the sky is moonless, we've got the power to create and plant our seeds of purpose for the cycle this is to come. There may be an energy on provide beneath this Virgo new moon that led us to discover conduct, ideals, or attitudes we've got collected from our youth that no longer serve us. There is an energy that guides us to heal ancestral or generational wounds. Those are the injuries that are not of this life, however, are inherited from our Earth family and soul family. Those wounds also can be linked to the land that we pick out to reside on. Common, the Virgo new moon sends combined waves of power that can trigger old wounds, but additionally inspire us to attempt new things. It seems like these manifestations are at opposite ends of the spectrum, which is also why this new moon power may also experience up and down. Emotionally, we may actually feel scattered or even crushed. So, sink your feet into the earth. Allow yourself to feel linked to the supply energy within and all around you. Permit this connection to trigger your innate energy. Realize you are whole. After which, from this place, experience the waves of the Virgo new moon. Use them to bring sparkling strength into your existence, however, to also damage any generational cycles that no longer need to be energetic to your existence.